Hello everyone, myself Vaibhav Tomre and my today's topic is technical and my topic is wrapper class in Java. So let's discuss about what is wrapper class in the Java. So in Java, wrapper classes provides a way to use a primitive data type such as int, character, boolean as a object, and each primitive data type has a corresponding wrapper classes in the which was in the java.lang package. And wrapper classes allows the primitive to treat it as an object, and that enables operation such as being stored in the collection, using generics, or pass as a object. So let's see the primitive data types and which was converted into the wrapper classes, such as a primitive data type such as a bytes, which was converted as a byte, short, which was converted as short, int, it was converted to wrapper such as integer, long as a long, float as a float, and a double as a double, char as a character, and a boolean as a boolean. So the wrapper class are mainly used in the Java. In that some such as a collection. So the Java collection such as array list and hash set that was store an object, not the primitives. So wrapper classes allows in such scenario, such as allows primitive values to be stored in these collections. So in the generics in Java works only with the objects, not with the primitive data types. And the another one is utility methods, and in that the utility methods, the wrapper classes provide some utility methods for converting between the types and performing operation. In that we can parsing a string to the number, and in the null values, the wrapper classes can store null values unlike the primitive data types. So in the object oriented feature, sometimes we may want to treat primitive as an object to leverage the object oriented feature such as a method passing. So the next one was the Java provides some features called autoboxing and unboxing. In that, which was automatically converts between the primitive and their corresponding wrapper objects. So in the autoboxing, in that the automatic conversion of primitive data types into the corresponding wrapper classes as a object, and in the unboxing, in that the automatic conversion of wrapper classes object which was back to its corresponding primitive types. So the next one was we take the wrapper classes which was the in that Java, some commonly used wrapper classes in the method, such as each wrapper classes which provides the method for converting between types, and comparing values, and parsing that values into the strings into the primitives. So in that some methods to parsing and to use the wrapper classes such as a parse, it mainly used in the strings, which can parsing a string into the primitives. So it has one function to parsing it, such by the using the parse, it can convert a string to its respective primitive data types. So the another one is a value of, it can convert a primitive type of a string to its corresponding wrapper object, and the another one is a value. It can convert a wrapper object back to its primitive type. In the Java, such as takes the example of wrapper classes into the collection. In the collection, it was mainly used for in the asset or the array list. So the some features of the primitive data types as a wrapper classes. So it was it stores actually some values which was stores references, which was a default value such as a 0, false, or the null. And in the use of the collection, it cannot be stored directly, and it can be stored utility method. Know the utility methods. Many utility methods has some memory size such as smaller, and some was more efficient and larger due to its object overhead. So it was has some functions such as utility functions, which can provide many utility methods for data manipulation and conversion. And the another one was the nullability. In the some wrapper classes, objects can be null, and which can be useful in certain scenarios where the absence of value which was needs to the represented. And there was some type conversion which was a method like parseInt, parse double, which was providing easy conversion from the string to its numeric type. So let's thank you.